Hello, my name is Maverick Collins. This is my video submission for Animal Farm Part 1 with Dr. Madrazo, Object-Oriented Programming here at GCU. We're tasked with building this program based off this UML we were given. Uh, the primary objective was to practice our comfortability with inherited classes and abstract classes, and then using those classes in a composition method with another class as objects for the barn. That was a little convoluted, but we'll see. Let's see here. Okay, so we started with the animal, pretty basic. We instantiated the constructors, the getters, the setters, etc. There's only two attributes for this entire program. It's going to be name and weight. So each animal will have its own specific weight or name associated with it. And the only other difference besides that is the virtual methods. So these abstract methods, um, eat and gain weight, that's what makes animal an abstract class. So it cannot be instantiated by itself. It must be instantiated through a child class such as pig, chicken, or cow. And we're going to have to override these two methods for each of those classes. So let's hop over to the pig. Header file is pretty straightforward. Move this a bit. Sorry. Okay. Now we can move this back up. So let's take a look at the pig here. So the pig, only real difference between each of these classes is the eat method. So the pig's gonna be gaining 4 pounds when they eat, and we're gonna plus equals the weight. And we're gonna do the same thing for the cow. A lot of files to move around here. This cow's gonna be getting 8 pounds. Gonna return its weight plus equals. And we'll have the chicken, which is going to be gaining 1/4 of a pound. Let's move over to the barn. The barn is where things got pretty interesting, where we're initializing these vectors full of these animal objects. So as you can see, the coop has chicken objects, pig pen has pig objects, cow pen has cow objects. And then we got four methods or three methods, including the constructor, feed chickens, feed pigs, feed cows. So take a look at this business logic here. So for the constructor, via the problem statement, we were tasked with initially pushing back four animals, a chicken named Percy weighing 12 pounds, a chicken named Evil Betty weighing 8 pounds, a cow named Rosie, which did not come with a weight. Professor, please update that for next time. So I added just assume the weight's probably going to be probably around 1,000 pounds for a cow. And then finally, we had a pig named Barnum. His weight was 200 pounds. So without further ado, let's run it. Boom. So as you can see here, my output pretty much exactly mirrors that what was given to us in the problem statement, minus, as I pointed out, the cow weight. I'm sure that was just a small detail that was left out, but we got the gist given the chicken and the pig. So overall, it was a fun problem. It was there's a lot of things to keep track of. A lot of little errors. I think that this part, I think, was the most challenging, was just setting up the barn, getting the UI to work. But once you got one of them working, then it all kind of fell into place. So overall, good project. Learned a lot, and I got to help out another student with his. So overall, good assignment. And yeah, see you on the next one. Thanks.